Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Riggio, and I run Applied Behavioral Technologies Incorporated, Joseph Riggio International, and I help people, specifically coaches, consultants, experts, grow and build their businesses, become more effective at doing what they do, and delivering high success to clients that they work with. And I've just bought all of Jason West's campaigns for Kartra, and I'm loving them. It makes my time incredibly fast to get things out the door. It reduces the amount of effort and attention I have to place on trying to build things from scratch, and it lets me really effectively communicate with my audience when I'm coming up with offers of all kinds. I also love to work with his campaigns and introduce them to the clients I'm working with, who are coaches, who are consultants, who are experts, who are trying to promote themselves, and especially his male and female coach sites, which are fundamentally completely built out websites that allow you to promote yourself effectively with a few clicks. And Jason's really great about being in touch with me and communicating with me, providing videos about how to install and use the templates that he's built and the campaigns he's built. And just simply put, they're incredibly effective, they're easy to use, and they're going to save you a ton of time, keep you out of the hole of technology, which is that black, time suck that you can get into. So if you're interested in campaigns that are pre-built for Kartra and getting the best that are out there, in my opinion, look to Jason West's campaigns. I bought the whole package, every one that he sells. I'm using them all. I love them. And thanks, Jason. Really appreciate you doing what you do. Take care.